In this video, we're going to explore the property padding bottom. Basically, what we're going to do now is we already have assigned a padding top of 10 pixels, and then now we're going to assign a padding bottom, also at 10 pixels. And then you will see that the height here right now, which we have assigned with 100 pixels, is starting to adjust itself gradually. So let's start and do this immediately. So in here, to do this, all we have to put in here is padding dash bottom and then 10 pixels. Once we did this, save this, and as we save this, we can refresh, and you can see now we have a padding within the content. Now the height has been adjusted. You can see here the height has been adjusted from 70 to 60 pixels, and the reason why is basically this. Remember, we have used here the border box. This is very important because of the border box. We are now having here 10, 10, and then 10, 10. This total makes 40 plus 60 equals the height of our painting, which is 100 pixels. So equals this. And this is very important to remember because the padding and the border itself are working together with the box sizing border box. Basically this one here. Extremely important. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.